Hello students, as you know, we are finishing our chapter number 11, that is Jugs and Mugs. Now today we are going to solve our chapter number 11 in additional maths books, that means in the workbook. So are you ready? So let's start. Question number 1a. Paste pictures of 3 animals which can drink less than 1 liter of liquids. Here you have to paste the animals which are small because they have the capacity to drink less than 1 liter of liquid. So the examples like sparrow, rabbit, mouse, squirrel, these are the small animals. They cannot drink more than the 1 liter of liquid. Okay, so you have to paste here pictures. So this is the homework for you. Now question 1a done. Now question 1b. Paste pictures of 3 animals which can drink more than 1 liter of liquid. That means the animals which are big one, they can the capacity to drink the more than 1 liter of liquid. That means here you have to paste the pictures of tiger, giraffe, elephant. Okay, that means big animals pictures. So this is also homework for you. So you have to paste the pictures here. Question number 2. State whether the following containers will hold more than or less than 1 liter of liquid. Here some containers are given. You have to just guess it whether they are containing more than 1 liter liquid or less than 1 liter of liquid. Okay. So number 1. The picture is what? Yes, bucket. So the bucket has the capacity to hold more than. So write down more than 1 liter. Okay. Now number 2, glass. So it is the capacity of less than 1 liter. Okay. Now number 3, jug. Jug is, you know, it is very well more than 1 liter. Okay. Number 4, pot is there. So more than 1 liter. Here it is also more than 1 liter. And pressure cooker, there is more than 1 liter. Okay. So now question number 3. Tick the container which can hold more than 1 liter of liquid and cross the container which can hold less than 1 liter of liquid. Here you have to tick or cross. So number 1, see, these are the some containers that you can see with the milkman. Yes, na? So these are the capacity to less than the 1 liter of liquid. So you have to cross it. Now this cold drink bottle, it is a capacity of more than 1 liter liquid. So you have to just tick it. This test tube has less than the 1 liter of liquid capacity. Now number 4, this is a picture of that water guns that we can use in the Holi festival to spray the colors on your friends. Yes, na? So they have the capacity that is the less than. So we can cross it. Now number 5, bottle. So bottle is a capacity or is the more than. So you have to take here. Number 6, you can see the electrical jug. We can use this jug to make the tea or to make the water hot. Okay, so we have to just stick it because the capacity of this jug is more than 1 liter. Question number 4. Match the container with the quantity of liquid held by them. Okay, here some pictures are given. You have to just guess it how much liquid they can hold. Okay, so number 1, you can see one tin is there. So what is the capacity of tin? Less than half liter? No. About 10,000 liter? No. About 20 liters? Yes. So we have to just match it by using the scale. Now the next is the small bottle that we can use for the babies. So they have the capacity that is a less than half liter. So we have to just match it. Now the number 3, one bowl is there and the bowl capacity is 1 liter. So we have to just match it. Now number 4, you have to see the truck of the water tank. So it has the capacity to hold about 10,000 liters water. So it is the big one. So capacity of is the 10,000 liters. Okay. Now question number 5. Fill in the blanks with the unit used to measure the given quantity of liquid. Choose the appropriate option. That means here some things are given, name of the something are given. So what you have to do, you have to choose which unit is suitable. इसमें कौन सा unit suitable है वो आपको find out करना है. Okay, that means we can measure it into the millimeter or we can measure it into the liter. Okay, चलो just see number 1, a cup of tea. So cup of tea हम किस में measure करेंगे, liter और milliliter? Yes, milliliter. So we have to write here milliliter. Okay, number 2, jug filled with milk. So you know that the jug capacity you can measure into the liter. So you have to write liter here. Now number 3, an earthen pot filled with water. So it is also capacity of to hold the water. Number 4, a packet of fortune oil. So what is the capacity of that packet? So it is the number 5, a pen with ink. So pen is too small, so the capacity of pen of ink is milliliter. Okay. Now the next is a glass of orange juice. Glass also the capacity, that is the milliliter. Okay. Now the next is a small bottle of cold drink. Small bottle is there, so it is also the capacity to milliliter. Okay. Now question number 6. Which among the following containers will contain more than liquid and which will contain less than liquid? Okay. So we have to just write down more or less here. Okay. So by seeing only you can see that big container has the more liquid and less small container has the less liquid. So you have to write here more. You have to write here less. Here also you can see that is less. Here it is more. Now in that you can see less. Here it is more. Now in the 4th number, kettle is there and bottle is there. So what is the capacity here? It is more and here it is less. Now number 5, one school bottle is there and it is the one big bottle, thermos bottle is there. So here it is less and it is more. You have to just guess it. Question number 7, jugs and glasses. Samira needs 1, 2, 3, 4 glasses to fill a jug. So use the above information to answer the following. So let's see which questions are. Number 1, how many glasses of water are required to fill 3 jugs? You know that for 1 jug how many glasses? 4 glasses. So for 3 jugs how many glasses required? So you have to write down 4 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 12 glasses. Okay. Now the next 2 number, how many jugs will be filled by 20 glasses of water? Okay. So for 1 jug, how many glasses? 4 glasses. For 20 glasses, so 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So how many? 16 plus 4. So how many jug? Here it is 1 jug, 2 jug, 3 jug, 4, 5 jugs. So how many jugs required? 5 jugs. So you have to write here 5 jugs. Okay, 5 jugs filled. So this is the answer. Now the number 3, how many glasses of water are required to fill half of the jug? So to fill the full jug we have to use the 4 glasses. So for the half, so write down for half jug required 2 glasses. Okay, so that is the answer. Now number 4, will 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 equal to 2 jugs. 9 glasses equal to 2 jug, because 1 jug is equal to 4. So 2 jug is equal to what? 8. But here it is given 9 glasses. So we have to write here no. Question number 8. Filling jars. Here some statement problems are given. Just start to solve it. Number 1. 2 Bisleri jars are required to fill water using mugs. If 16 mugs of water are required to fill a jar, that means for one jar we have to require 16 mugs of water. Then how many mugs of water will be required to fill 5 such jars? Okay, that means एक जार फिल करने के लिए कितने मग्स लग रहे हैं? 16 मग्स. सो 5 जार्स में कितने मग्स लगेंगे? ओके, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. 5 जार्स भरने के लिए हमको कितने? सो राइट डाउन. टू फिल अ जार is equal to how many mugs we required? 16 mugs. Okay, so to fill 5 jars we required 16 multiplied by 5, that is equal to 16 5s are 80 mugs. Okay, so you have to say here table of 16. Number 2, if a jar is filled by 3 mugs of water, a mug is filled by 2 glasses of water, then how many glasses of water are required to fill a jar? देखो, एक जार में 3 मग्स ऑफ वाटर लगता है और एक मग फिल करने में कितने वाटर ग्लास लगता है? 2 ग्लासेस ऑफ वाटर लगता है. सो हाउ मेनी ग्लासेस, कितने ग्लास लगेंगे एक जार फिल करने में? राइट. सो वी हैव टू राइट हियर टू फिल अ जार 3 mugs. ओके, एंड to fill a mug, that is equal to how many glasses? 2 glasses. Okay, now we have to find out to fill a jar. How many glasses? We write 2 glasses 3 times. Okay, so we have to write 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is equal to total 6 glasses, and that is our answer. That means to fill a jar we require the 6 glasses. For 2 glasses for 1 mug. Okay, so second mug, 1 mug, 2 mug, 3 mug, and 3 mug will fill the 1 jar. Okay, now number 3, arrange the capacity of jars in the increasing order if and capacity of mugs are the same. Okay, so we have to arrange it by increasing order. One table is given here. You have to just see jar A 5 mugs of juice, jar B 7 mugs of juice, and jar C 6 mugs of juice. So for increasing order means from small to big. Okay, यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है? अरेंज करना है. So सबसे पहले see which capacity is the less, which jar capacity is the less? Jar A. So we have to write here jar A. Then which capacity? Jar C. Yes, we have to write here jar C. And the next is jar B. Number 4, jar A hold 16 cups of water and jar B hold thrice. Thrice means 3 times as much as water jar A. How many cups of water are required to fill jar B? Okay, jar A hold 16 cups of water. Okay, so we have to write here jar A hold is equal to 16 cups. Now we have to find out jar B. So jar B hold water is equal to thrice of jar A. So jar A is what? 16 cups. So 16 cups multiplied by 3. So that is equal to 48 cups of water. So that is our answer. Why we multiply with the 3? Because we can see that the jar B hold thrice of jar A. So that's why we have to multiply it by 3. Okay. So here we finish our chapter number 11. Okay. So that's all for today.